sunup to starry night. Wake up, wiggle toes, time to stretch and strike a pose. Yawn and giggle, rub your eyes, peek outside at bright blue skies. Teddy's smiling, pillows gone, let's get dressed and sing along. Shirt goes on, then socks and shoes, pick your colors you can choose. Brushy brush, splashy splash, eat your meal and clean up fast. From the morning to the night, we do things that feel just right. Breakfast is a happy song, plates are dancing all day long. Milk goes glug and toast goes crunch, fruits go munch and spoon goes punch. Bananas smile, the eggs say hi, juice is waving as it flies. Napkin nap, wipe your chin, now we're full, let's play and grin. Brushy brush, splashy splash, eat your meal and clean up fast. From the morning to the night, we do things that feel just right. Splish splash, bubble bash, time to scrub and make a splash. Rub a dub behind each ear, shiny hands and cheeks appear. Toothbrush dance and scrub your snout, swish and rinse and spit it out. Toys in bins, clothes in the hamper, now the house is neat and dapper. Sun goes down, it's getting late, let's slow down and then so great. One more hug, one more song, dreams will come before too long. Time for stars and snuggly bears, climb in bed, say sleepy prayers. Blanket warm and nightlight glows, close your eyes and let dreams flow. Moon is peeking, night is here, mommy, daddy snuggle near. Good night kisses, sweet and tight, see you in the morning light. Brushy brush, splashy splash, eat your meal and clean up fast. From the morning to the night, we do things that feel just right. Sun to moon, from play to sleep, all our memories we'll keep. One more smile and one more sigh, now it's time to close your eyes.